Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Debbie, this is my crafty den, and I'm so glad that all of you can be here today to join me while I unbox a diamond painting. So I got this diamond painting, it's been 6 weeks or more ago, and I know you're supposed to unbox them when you first get them and check them, and yeah, guys, and I have other ones I still haven't done. But I'm going to get to this one today. I'm not exactly sure what this one is. I can't remember where I ordered it from. I have an idea. I think this is my long-haired Chihuahua picture that I ordered. I hope that's what it is. So I'm just going to get all this plastic off the outside so we can see what it is. Oh yes, I am so excited. Okay, so this is from, where is this from? HomFun? HomFun 5D DIY diamond painting. This was just an advertisement on a whim. I just decided to order it. Anyway, join us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, I don't know what that is, Google, oh, I know what that is, but I can't remember, Instagram, and Pinterest. So already I'm liking this. So can you see inside this box, guys? They have it wrapped around almost like a pool noodle, a miniature pool noodle. So yeah, already I'm liking the way they box it. The kit is just an ordinary kit, but it didn't come with, that's quite a big chunk of wax too, very hard wax. It didn't come with a little green tray. So it's actually this is like a miniature version of the larger one that I use. So this might be handy when I'm doing a lot of those drills, and I've got them all peppered different colors throughout. This is a multi-placer. It's just got the one, and then there is the, yeah, that's a 3 on the end. Some little plastic bags and some, you know, the cheap tweezers that come with them that are no good for nothing. So at least I don't think so. I don't think the tweezers are strong enough on any of them. So let me see what we've got here. Oh gosh, guys, that's what it is. It's just a little painting, and it's a long-haired Chihuahua. So how is this? Look at all these drills and how they're packaged. Oh my gosh. So they're little packages. It's square drills. I'm liking that. All these numbers of drills. 61, 64. So they're the DMC colors on the drills. Let's see what we've got in our instructions. And then we'll look at the painting, and I'll count all of these. So it has a really nice page. There's 41 different colors in this. It's full square drill. And this is what the little picture looks like. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to do it. That's what my Chester looks like if I don't give him a haircut. He's got all that scraggly hair around his face. So let's check this out. But it has the piece number, which I'm sure is the... See, I'm not sure, guys, on this, how this is going to work. So I'm sure this is the DMC numbers on these. So there's all these little packs of 3743. And on here, it says 3743. There should be 11 packs. And then it says 2027, and I don't know what that is. That's the piece number. But it has the symbol and the number of the package, but none of that's on here. So let me do this. I have 3743, and I am going to check that there's 11 packets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's exactly what that means. So I have 11 packets of this. I'm just going to take a pen, and I am going to check 3743, and I have them all. So I'm just going to put a little tick there, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go through these. I'm going to count them. I'm going to mark them off, and then I'm going to make sure that everything is here. So I sped that up so that you didn't have to watch every single one, but there are some missing, guys. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to contact this company, and I should be able to get them to send me some drills. So that's what I'll do. I am going to start working on this. I mean, if I can't get them from the company because I waited so long to open this, but I don't think that should be a problem. I mean, it hasn't been a year or anything like that. But I am going to contact them and ask them if they will send me the drills. So there's one full color. The DMC number is 451. It looks like a taupey brown color. And there's 3 small packets of those missing. There's none in here. And the number 3750 is got only 2 packs instead of 3 packs. So I will contact them and see what happens with that. But other than that, the drills look really amazing. They're really cleanly cut. I don't see a lot of trash in the bags at all. Everything looks uniform in size. They don't have a ton of facets on them, but they should still be, I mean, they still look pretty good. They're really shiny on top, like when you can't see them, but even in the bags, like through 2 pieces of plastic, when my light is hitting the top surface of them, it's shining back really nicely. So these should be nice drills. So I'm going to open the painting and see what I have. Now, I know I'm going to have trouble getting it in the frame right side up. Let me move this stuff out of the way, but I will turn it sideways so that you can see the whole painting. So there's a small elastic on this. I think it'll be easier for me to just slide under here and cut that off on both ends. It wasn't on there so tight that it left an indentation or anything like that. And this is covered, guys. So this is a small square painting. It is, I'm going to just roll it the other way. Actually, what I'm going to do is I am going to lift the paper and put it back down. So that should help it to lay flat. It has been rolled up for quite some time. Let me see. I can't even get this up. There. So, oh yeah, that's going to help that lay flat so much better. And right, this is right side up. It's here. Yeah, this is a problem that you shouldn't have when you are opening these right away. So there, let that relax for just a little bit. So I'm going to pull this back quite a ways so that we can see this picture, just enough that I have it still lined up so I can put it back down. Now, I do love that they use this type of release paper, because if you have joined me on my Wednesday night whip and chats, you know that I like the paper, release paper, better than the plastic stuff. I struggle with the plastic stuff, guys, and I do about a 4x6 section of the painting in one shot. So the symbols look pretty good. Actually, the symbols do look pretty clear on this, guys. So this is kind of the picture up close, and as you can see, the markings are all really clear. The symbols all look really clear on this. So I think it will be easy to do. And hey, don't do that. My kitty cat came along and she's decided she's going to eat the paper where it's rolling off the edge of the table. And the picture just looks so lovely. It doesn't have any wrinkles in it. And it does. It looks pretty good for being rolled up that long, and which is my fault, not their fault. But for being rolled up that long, this doesn't look bad at all. And I think the picture is going to look really lovely when it's done. I think it's going to be an overall good picture. And it is going to look like Chester. Yeah, I think that's going to be really, really cute. So this is a 40 by 40 centimeters. That's got to be the size of the canvas. And there's about a ½ inch on each side. So probably about 39 by 39 centimeters. And oh, I'm going to have fun doing this one, guys. So I'm going to start this one probably tomorrow or the next day, and I will definitely be working on this by the time Wednesday comes along, and hopefully we'll be doing some diamond painting together, guys. So don't forget to join me on Wednesday night if you just want some company while you're doing your paintings, and you can just listen to me babble away while I diamond paint as well. It's always nice to have some company. But I'm going to contact them tomorrow and see if they can send me out some drills, and hopefully that won't be a problem. I will let you know during the whip and chat on Wednesday if I've heard back from them or not. So anyway, bye-bye for now, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this, and I look forward to reading any comments that you might have or any questions that you might have for me. And I will see you all in the next video. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye, everyone.